Hey guys, I'm Chef Randy Feltis, and we're all trying to eat a little bit healthier, so today we're going to demo a beautiful zucchini ribbon salad. So today we're using raw zucchinis, some fresh radishes, we're going to garnish with a little bit of mint, pistachio, olive oil, mustard, salt, pepper, and a little bit of acidity with the lime. Finish it all off with some manchego cheese. So today we're going to start off with some fresh zucchini and basically just give it a peel. What this does is consistency of the peeler makes it a perfect ribbon. It's also better if you go and get different colors, so just help the salad pop. And there we go. Now we're just going to lightly kind of layer these around the plate. You don't want them stuck together too much. Just kind of like bring them apart and feather them down. Make it nice and light. You're gonna need some radishes. Always remember, keep the thumb back. I'm gonna place them down. Take some pistachios, toast them up. Get yourself a mortar and pesto. Just give them a quick little smashing, rub them around. The reason why is we want the salt to kind of be throughout the salad. We want it in every single bite. So instead of like kind of hitting it, big ones, this way we have a nice little tiny crunch, a little bit lighter, a little softer, so it's not gonna affect the zucchini a little bit. And just sprinkle that down. Gorgeous. Let's get to the dressing. What we're gonna need is zest of a lime. Very light, use a nice microplane. And juice. We need some grainy mustard, and then my favorite ingredient, extra virgin olive oil. About 3 times more olive oil than lime juice. That's simple. Let's not forget the salt and pepper. Two garnishes to finish. Love fresh herbs, love the freshness of it, number one, but it's actually a beautiful thing to eat. You're just gonna lie that in on top. It's gonna make the salad pop. Now we do need a little bit more salt just to finish everything off. So we're just gonna hit it with a little bit, and I mean a tiny bit, because it's January. We're watching our waistline. Manchego. Light, refreshing, nutritious, and delicious. To see the utensils and the full recipe, check it out right here at tsc.ca.